Now that you know a great way to define which administrators are able to manage the device, let's talk about another feature that you can add to improve your defense in-depth posture. Management ACLs allow you to control which IP addresses and protocols are allowed to access the management plane. While ACLs are covered more in depth in the next module, they're used to permit or deny traffic based on the source and destination IP addresses and ports. For example, management plane ACLs can restrict the management of devices using insecure protocols. Additionally, they can restrict the management of the device to only an out-of-band management network. Only devices that fall within that IP range would be allowed to manage the device. Additionally, even if Telnet and HTTP access are not allowed on the device, the ACL can also explicitly deny any Telnet or HTTP traffic, adding one more layer of security for your devices. So the ACL will deny Telnet traffic, deny HTTP traffic, and then permit only HTTPS or SSH traffic from the management VLAN IP space. Additionally, you can permit Radius, TACX, SNMP, Secure Syslog, and Secure NTP traffic to and from their respective servers. This is just another layer of security to ensure that the traffic is only destined to the correct server, and a malicious actor isn't able to compromise the management plane. Some devices even support network object groups. This would allow you to create an object group of different SNMP servers, Radius servers, and other management servers. Then, you can reference those object groups in the ACL, rather than having to add an additional permit statement for each server. That way, if another server is added, or a server is decommissioned, you can just edit the network object group, rather than deleting or adding a bunch of individual ACL statements. Finally, you would want to deny all other traffic. Once all the ACLs are created, you would then apply them to the management plane of your networking device. Alright, that is everything that I wanted to teach you in this module, and we have covered a lot. We started off talking about the different planes of your networking devices, and then took a look at the different protocols that we can use to manage them. Finally, we just covered one more step in order to provide that one extra layer of security with management plane ACLs. As you learned, a lot of organizations still use the unsecure versions of management protocols, even though there are more secure versions available. While I understand that it does take extra time to configure properly, I hope you saw why it is important to go ahead and take that extra time. And while this module was more conceptual than practical application, in the Cisco Core Security, Network Security with Cisco iOS, Cisco Core Security, Network Security with Cisco ASA, and the Cisco Core Security, Network Security with Cisco Firepower courses, we cover how to actually implement management plane security for the respective device. And in the next module, we will start implementing features to secure the control plane and data plane on a Cisco router.